hey everyone, today we will see about DevOps. DevOps simply we can called as a culture. When we develop a project, when we develop a mini project, simply we are using a local host and we just deploy it on the our local server. But if we think about the big companies, like where numbers of users are huge, like in lakhs, where thousands of requests comes daily, so it's very hard to manage this all request and multiple bugs and errors comes. So there are multiple teams in these big companies, like development team is different, IT operation team is different. But what if there is a error will come after the releasing of the code, and no one is responsible for that, like development team tested is very carefully, so there is no bug, and IT team is also not responsible for that. So before DevOps these issues happen, and this is not automated. So after DevOps, multiple tools are used. So for that all process is automated. DevOps is simply we can call it as that infinity loop sign. Like from planning to monitoring, for all the process is monitor under the DevOps. Like from planning, then coding, then testing, then deployment, and then monitoring, etc. So a first loop is called as a CI, that is continuous integration, like code is integrated continuously. And next loop we can call as a continuous deployment, because that deployment process is happen there, and multiple tools are used there. So for containers we use dockers and kubernetes, and for CI/CD we use Jenkins, and multiple cloud platforms also used. So these are all things about DevOps. And what is the benefit of DevOps? Like there are number of errors will be there, so the quality of product will be increased. And there is a collaboration between the team, so it's a good because multiple people coming together, and it's a good for the product, because communication is the way that all the thoughts of the people are combined together. And next is speed, like the speed of the software is increased. So these all about DevOps. If you know other things about DevOps, then comment below. Bye bye.